Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel, for liking, for sharing, for loving my channel. Thank you, much appreciated. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. If you have not, then please like, share, and subscribe so that you can get all important messages which are important for you, Aquarius. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, so skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here. I have already uploaded your main reading and your general reading for the month of February 2021. You can have a look on that too. A very happy birthday to all those Aquarius who are having birthday. So let me know in the comment section if you are having your birthday so that I can personally wish you for that. Okay, so yes, let's start your extended love reading. Before that, I'm going to add some messages from the chakra balance. Okay, so let's start. What are the extended, let's see what are the extended reading for you for the month of February 2021. So let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages. Enlightenment. You're getting your enlightenment. You're getting spiritual awakening than before. Okay, let's see one more card. Okay. There is creation. So use your creativity, Aquarius. You are the creator, you are the creation, you are someone who is full of creativity and passions. As you're getting spiritual awakening, as you're getting enlightenment, use your creativity and create something beautiful. There is something in which you can create. Creation is here. So these are the two beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you so much. And let's add some message from angels and ancestors. Let's see what are the 5 messages. I'm going to get 5 cards from this deck, and after that I'm going to clarify these energies. Okay, let's see 3 more, 2 more. They have given me exact 5 only. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So beautiful message for you, Aquarius. There is a high priestess here. Okay, so use your intuitions. You are full of intuitions, Aquarius. Harness mystic power. Use your intuitions. That is the message from your angels and ancestors, that you need to use your intuitions. There is Knight. Be brave and honest and use your intuitions. Okay, be honest and be brave and use your intuitions. Then there is air guardian, animal guardian, and there is magic guardian. Okay, air guardian is saying that you need to shift your perception. Okay, see from an higher perception, shift your perception and trust your instincts. See, animal guardian is also pointing you out, saying you that you need to trust your instincts, trust your inner voice, trust your intuitions. Okay, and unlock the magic which is there within yourself. Here, magician guardian, magic guardian. Okay, magic guardian is here, and she's saying that you need to unlock the magic which is there inside of you, within yourself. Okay, you need to trust your intuition, trust your instincts, and shift your perception. Okay, shift your perception. And these were the messages from this deck. Let's add some message from Archangel Power Tarot deck. Okay, please give me the messages for Aquarius. Nine of Wands. One more. Okay. So there is perspective. Again, there is perspective. There is solution. There is new beginnings. Aquarius, I got for you is Nine of Gabriel. That is Nine of Wands. Stay determined and move forward. Be prepared for any possibility at environmental activism. Okay. So just ready for beautiful things, because beautiful beginnings are coming for you. Why I say that? There are some kind of solutions, okay, which are coming for you, but you just need to shift your perspective. Here again the messages, you need to shift your perspective. Why? Because new beginnings are coming for you. And in your main reading also, I told you that beautiful energies are coming for you, Aquarius. There is Ace of Cups. This is emotional fulfillment, which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, because there is someone around you who is coming back in your life from your past. Okay, now the message from this solution is success that comes from objective compromise, self control and patience, forgiving and healing energy. Okay, can you see this is temperance energy here, patience energy, solution energy. Can you see how this angel is pouring two cups into each other? That was there. Okay, so success comes from objective compromise, self control and patience, forgiving and healing energy. So forgive, do your healing and keep your patience, and you need to shift your perspective. Okay, there is better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different, Aquarius. There are new beginnings which are coming for you, starting a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. Okay, so you need to forgive someone which is there from your past, because here also in your energy also there is someone who is from your past. Okay, they are manifesting you, Aquarius. Six of Cups and the Magician is here. Now they are getting the clarity. Ace of Swords is here. They are getting the clarity that they were someone, this was the, no, they are getting the clarity that they have treated you wrong basically, and they were someone who put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart. Okay, many times, heartbreaks, heartaches. They were manipulated. They were manipulations. They were mind games, cheating, lying, manipulation, and because of that, 0808 was the recording reading time. They are feeling restricted, stuck in an energy. See, I was, while saying also, I was stuck for a second. So yeah, this is someone from your past. This is a King of Pentacles who was very manipulative, who was, can you see, sneaky, lying, cheating, manipulation, and now they are feeling restricted, stuck. They cannot move in a forward direction. This is someone who is financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage his finances. Okay, this person is someone who knows how to manage his finances. Now they're feeling like an hangman. They're feeling restricted, stuck. They cannot move in a forward direction. They, Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups is here. So maybe you are the wish fulfillment for them, Aquarius. Nine of Cups, they know now, they're getting clarity that you are the wish fulfillment for them here, and you are someone with whom they can stay happily ever after, happy family, happy life. Okay, but they don't know how to approach you basically. They're feeling hang, and maybe this person can be indulgent to alcohol. That can be a possibility here. Okay, and the second meaning for this is maybe this person and you are having family together in the past. Okay, happy family, happy life. Okay, so you both are having family together. That can be a possibility. And if you are not having family, so now they see you as someone with whom they can create this energy of Ten of Cups. But you are working so hard on on yourself, on doing your healing. Okay, on working on yourself, and you are holding back from them. Here the Four of Pentacles, you're holding back so tight from them, you're not giving any energy, you're working, very hard on your own self, and you're waiting your ships to come. Here the Three of Wands is here, you are waiting your ships to come, but that situation, whatever this situation was going on in your life, Aquarius, that situation is going to end. Death card is here, death and rebirth. And here it is the Six of Cups. This person is from your past, you both know each other, and this is also a soulmate card. They are manifesting you, Aquarius. Okay, they're manifesting you. There are some conflicts which are happening around themselves. Either you both fight with each other. Okay, there were some conflicts around this person or in your life, here with the Five of Swords, but now they're coming with an apology. Here maybe they will start with saying, I'm sorry, Aquarius. Here, can you see, they will come with a small message or small offer saying, hi Aquarius, I'm sorry, but they want to give you beautiful thing, the Ace of Cups. From the page they are coming towards the Ace. Okay, and that's wonderful. Okay, Aquarius, they are trying to give you emotional fulfillment, a cup which is full of emotions, which is overflowing with emotions. Okay, and this is not an empty cup. Also, the Page of Cups is not an empty, there is a fish inside of this cup. They see you as someone who is an empress, who has to treat right, who is very caring, very nurturing, very motherly figure, and they want to now give equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacle, and there is Four of Wands here. Okay, they see you as, this is 1111 card, this is a twin flame card. They know that you are the one with whom they can live forever. You are the one which is, you are the twin flame for them, you are the soulmate for them. Now they know that, basically. So I don't think so that I need to clarify any other thing, because this is very clear cut reading for today. But let's start clearing out, and let's see why there is Three of Swords. Seven of Swords and the Devil. Bottom of the deck I'm having Two of Pentacle. Okay, so Aquarius, they were trying so hard to bring a balance, they were unable to make a decision, basically. See, again the Seven of Swords is here, the Seven of Swords and the Seven of Swords. There was some kind of toxicity which was attached to this person. That's why there is Three of Swords. Three of Swords is been clarified by Seven of Swords and the Devil. Okay, so some kind of toxicity was there which is attached to this person. Maybe this person was very sneaky, manipulative, because there is lot of lying, cheating, manipulation energy was there that was attached to this person. Here they were juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation. Okay, but they were unable to make a balance in a situation. Okay, clarify me Seven of Swords. Yeah, so let's see what are the messages, what are the clarification for Seven of Swords. Please clarify me Seven of Swords. What is the meaning for clarification of Seven of Swords? Clarify Seven of Swords. Bottom of the deck I'm having Nine of Swords. They are unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. Eight of Swords. See, Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacle and Eight of Cups. They are feeling restricted, stuck because of these lying, cheating, manipulation. Why they feel stuck, restricted, Aquarius? Because see, I told you this is your divine counterpart. I got Queen of Pentacles and I got Eight of Cups. Either you move in a forward direction here, you move in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups, or this person move in a forward direction. But what I can see from this energy is that you move in a forward direction. Okay, you leave this person behind, and now they're feeling restricted, stuck in search of Nine of Cups. Can you see there is a sun here? This girl is moving towards in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, the wish of fulfillment, and this is you. And now they're feeling restricted, stuck, they cannot sleep at night. Okay, here they're spending sleepless nights, but this is your divine counterpart. Here I'm having King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle both. So this is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see why there is, and why, what a beautiful energy. I can say thank you for this thing, that here I can see they are very restricted, very stuck. Okay, this is overthinking, this is mind thoughts with their self imposed, mind thoughts which they have been indulged into. They cannot move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see more why they cannot move in a forward direction, why there is Eight of Swords energy. Clarify. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups and Nine of Cups. They're rushing towards you to give you Ace of Cups, Aquarius. They see you as someone who is very, very happy, very abundant, enjoying your singlehood and all. They're feeling restricted, stuck, because they're feeling sad and remorse and guilt on those things which has already been happened in the past. They're very guilty, they're very sad on Five of Cups energy is here. But that situation is going to end here. Death and rebirth is here. So they are feeling sad on those things which has already happened in the past, crying on spilled milk basically. They are not looking that there are two cups which are waiting for them at the back. So they are regretting, they are very feeling very sad, remorse on the past events, on the past things. But whatever things was there, whatever restrictions, whatever stick was there, things were there, the energy was there, that is going to end here. There is death and rebirth here again. Here can you see the death and the rebirth here two times. So that situation is going to end very soon now, because they are coming towards you, Aquarius. Clarify. King of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. They are also working on their self, Aquarius. Eight of Pentacles. Okay, they are also working on themselves. They are using their intuitions. They're keeping an eye on you, Page of Swords, and there is Hangman again. Here, Hangman again. Hangman and the Hangman. Okay, they are working on themselves also. They are putting lot of efforts, energy, time on now on you basically, to keep an eye on you. They were keeping tabs on you. Maybe they're spying on online that what my Aquarius are up to. They are doing their, so they're using their intuitions, and they are feeling like an hangman, because here what you are doing is this: you are doing your healing, you're protecting your energy, you're completing your healing, you're resting and rejuvenating yourself. The Four of Swords and the Seven of Wands. Okay, you are doing your self defenses, you are protecting your aura. You're saying that no more mind games. I am out of this game. I do not want someone who wants to break my heart again and again. And I am doing my healing, I'm working on myself. Okay, so these are the things which they are doing. Why there is Nine of Cups? Clarify. Nine of Cups. Please help me out to clarify why there is Nine of Cups. Clarify. Nine of Cups. Emperor. This is your divine counterpart, because I told you. They see you as someone who is the wish fulfillment for you. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment for them, Aquarius. Here I'm having Emperor and the Empress both. Clarify. Ten of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Pentacles. They are trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation. Okay, Ten of Cups. Clarify. Ten of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Nine of Swords. Cards were up. Okay, they want to give you some stable committed offer, because they are unable to sleep at night, Aquarius. They're spending sleepless nights. Now they want to give a commitment to you basically. a commitment, a solid commitment, a commitment here. Can you see? A stable committed offer they want to give you because they cannot sleep at night. Clarify me, Eight of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune and Temperance. They will come towards you with a small offer, the small message, and Wheel of Fortune is moving in their favor too, Aquarius. There is a Temperance here. Again, the Wheel of Fortune. See, again the King of Pentacle and the Queen of Pentacle is here. Can you see? So yes, they will, maybe they will give you some kind of lot of pentacle energy. Can you see? Maybe they will initiate some small offer, a small message, a small opportunity, something with the small thing, because here I'm having Page, but the Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance is moving in their favor. Can you see the Temperance? Then the Wheel of Fortune is moving in their favor because this is a relationship on which the divine is taking care of. Clarify Four of Pentacle. Clarify Four of Pentacle. Page of Cups. Again Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck I'm having Five of Pentacles, Seven of Cups. So you left out in, either you leave this person in the past, Five of Pentacles, you left this person behind, or this person leave you behind, but now they're coming with the Page of Cups, a small apology and saying I'm sorry, Aquarius. Okay, a small message will come with this person, from this person. Okay, clarify me Three of Wands. Seven of Wands. You're protecting your energy, you're waiting your ships to come here. Can you see? Your self guards are too much high. You're saying that I am going to work on myself. Basically, I am going to prioritize my own self, my own self-worth. I work on my aura, I work on myself, and I'm not going to allow anyone to enter in my aura. Basically, your self-defenses are too much high. You're waiting your ships to come. Clarify me Death card. Why there is death? What is ending? Too many cards. Clarify me Death card. Why there is death? Ace of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay. Ten of Cups, bottom of the deck. I'm having Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands, Four of Wands, Three of Swords, Hangman, Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So in the past, now you're getting clarity, Aquarius, here. And they are also getting clarity. The first card for you is Ace of Swords. Okay. So they are getting clarity. Okay. And now you also know the truth. You will also know the truth here. Ace of Swords and Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is someone who is a truth seeker. She already know the truth. Okay. You already have the clarity. You already know the truth. So whatever confusion if you are having, if you think that you know that this, now you're going to see, now you're getting to, you know, that clarity. Can you see here the Three of Swords, the Three of Wands? Maybe there was a third party situation involved. You're waiting your ships to come. They broke your heart many times here. The Three of Swords is here. Can you see how this girl is screaming? But you are waiting for ships to come basically here. Again, the Three of Wands is here. You are releasing, this is the completion, the Ten of Wands. Okay, you're releasing your burden, and this is someone with whom either you are having family or you were committed to this person in the past, but now you will have this beautiful energy in the present too. Okay, this is someone with, this is again the 1111 card here. Can you see? This is someone who is your twin flame, your divine counterpart. Clarify me Six of Cups. Why there is Six of Cups? Bottom of the deck I'm having Six of Cups again. Beautiful. Two of Wands. They are at the crossroads. They're making a decision for you, for them. They are making a decision. Okay. Right now they're keeping in tabs on you. Again, the Page of Swords is here. Okay. And what has is Knight of Pentacle and Ace of Wands. Okay. In their mind, because Knight of Pentacle is some energy of the slowest energy in the tarot deck, so right now maybe you are not able to see that, but they're coming towards you, Aquarius. They're coming towards you. They have an idea in their mind to approach you. Basically, they have the passion, the ignite. Can you see how this passion is ignited in the mind of this girl? So this person who is from your past is having thoughts. 1155 was the recording reading time. Is having thoughts, is having, that passion inside their mind. Okay, it's already been ignited. Here, this person is from your past. You both know each other. They're keeping tabs on you. Clarify Magician. 10 of Pentacle. Clarify Magician. Clarify Magician. Wow. Ten of Pentacle, Eight of Wands, Three of Swords, Tower, and Magician. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Wands. You're doing your healing, you're doing your soul searching and all, because I do not get any Hermit here, but I got that energy of Hermit. Okay, but you are doing your inner work, because here can you see again the Three of Swords has come for you, Aquarius. So you, in the past, this person broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation. Many times they broke your heart. Okay, there was heartbreak, heart pains, heart losses was there. Okay, but some kind of communication is coming towards you. Lots of communication is coming towards you, because that is the Tower movement here. Okay, the Tower card is here. This is the divine intervention. This is the something which unexpected changes are coming in your life. Your life is going to shake up. This is divine intervention. Divine is intervening in your life, intervening in your situation when the necessary changes has to be made. Okay, and why this is happening, communication is coming towards you. Here I'm having 10 of Pentacles. This person wants to create abundance of everything with you. Okay, this is 10 of Pentacles, and there are a lot of communication which is coming for you, Aquarius. And can you see Magician is being clarified by Magician. So this person is manifesting very strongly for you. There are two magicians in this reading. So they are manifesting it. They are praying to God. They know how to manifest. Okay, they're manifesting you. They're manifesting they're manifesting communication. They're manifesting you, basically. Okay, they're manifesting abundance of everything with you. They want to spend the whole life with you. They want to share everything with you. Abundance of everything. They know that they broke your heart very well. They know that. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Swords, Five of Wands, Empress, and the Five of Swords. There were some conflicts with this person. Empress is here. Okay, this is you. The Empress is you. There were drama, a lot of fighting, arguments with this person. Okay, clarify me. Five of Swords. The Strength and the Six of Pentacles. So maybe this person told you that the conflicts was because they were not giving you equal amount of give and take. Maybe every time they promised you that I'm going to treat you right, I'm going to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, and now they are coming towards you, Aquarius, because this was the problem in your relationship. They're collecting the strength and they're coming towards you to give you that. Clarify Page of Cups. Seven of Pentacles, Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Sun, and this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, you are going to get success, recognition, victory, because you have already done your seeds. You have already poured the seeds. Now it's time for you to to reap the rewards, basically. Clarify me. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cup is being clarified by the star. Aquarius, you are going to receive your emotional fulfillment here. A cup which is full of emotions. Beautiful. Clarify, Empress. High Priestess, Queen of Wands. You are using your intuition. You are someone who is very, very passionate, very attractive. You are someone with whom you are using your intuitions here. Can you see? Queen of Wands. You are using your intuition. You are very passionate, very attractive, very creative, full of mysterious woman. Knight of, and these four cards also come out. Nine of Cups, Two of Cups, World card, Judgment, and the Knight of Cups. See again, Knight of Cups. They want to should give you lots of love, Aquarius, and that's the Judgment which is being made. And bottom of the deck also, I was having the Judgment here, which is being made by the Divine. Here you're completing a cycle with this person. Okay, I told you in the main reading also that there are a lot of 8 and 9 and 6 and 7. So there is a completion of a cycle. There is a cycle which is completing between you and this person. There is 2 of Cups and there is 9 of Cups. You are the wish fulfillment for them, Aquarius, and they want to, and you both want to share equal amount of give and take with this person. Okay, and you both want to give the cups to each other here. 2 of Cups is here. Okay, beautiful reading. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Justice, Knight of Wands, and 6 of Cups. Maybe in the past this person was a in and out energy, was a player kind of energy, but now see, because here I'm having 7 of Cups, maybe they were exploring lot of options in the past. Okay, 7 of Cups is here, but now that's the justice which is being made in your case, because this person was an in and out energy. Okay, let's see. Okay, these two clarification has been left. Wait. Clarify 4 of Wands. 1 minute. Clarify 4 of Wands. Hierophant. You're going to get married, lovers. Beautiful. Either you are going to get marriage proposal. This is your divine counterpart, the lovers, the Hierophant. Okay. Either you are married to this person or you are going to get married to this person. You are going to get your marriage proposal with this person, Aquarius. Okay, this is the lovers. This is the divine counterpart for you. Clarify 6 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Sun. Again, the Fool. They want to start take a leap of faith with you, Aquarius. Okay, and they want to start a new happy beginning with you. Maybe they are going to offer you here the 4 of Cups and the 10 of Cups, but do not say no to them. Can you see how this colorful cup is being offered to you, but you will not accept the cup? Don't do that. Okay, use your intuitions, because they are going to give you beautiful energy. The 10 of Cups here, 6 of Pentacles is being clarified by 4 of Cups and 10 of Cups. Happily ever after. Okay, happy family, happy life. And can you see how colorful this cup is being offered to this girl, but she's saying no. So just see the colorful cup which is being offered to you by this person. So this was the verification. They want to start a new happy beginning with you, Aquarius. Okay, they want to take a leap of faith and they want to start a new beginning with you. Let's see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe for the Aquarius. The Chariot again. Lot of Chariot energy. You will move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay. In every deck I was getting the Chariot energy. So let's see what is the advice for the Aquarius. See, Justice. Again the Justice is here. So let's see what are the advice for Aquarius from the divine, from the universe. Please help me out, divine, universe, to give the advice for the Aquarius for February 2021. 5 of Swords, the Moon. What is the advice? The Tower, Princess of Wands, King of Swords. Any other advice? The 7 of Wands, the 3 of Cups. What is the advice? Two of Pentacle. Okay. The Seven of Swords. Okay. So yeah, bottom of the deck I'm having the Magician again. So yes, they are manifesting you. Maybe in the past there were some, secrets which was hidden from you. Okay. The Moon and the Five of Swords, there were some conflicts which was there, but the Tower card is again is here. Okay, so this is the divine intervention. Their things are being crumbling up. Okay, something is shaking up your life. Unexpected changes are happening in your life here. Okay, you're rising as in Princess of Wands here. There were some kind of, here the King of Swords is here. This is your divine counterpart. I told you, Queen of Swords and King of Swords. They also know the truth that they have done something wrong with you. Okay, but you are protecting your energy. Again, Seven of Wands energy here. Your defenses were high, your self defenses were very much high. You're protecting your aura. But now, because in the past maybe there's Three of Cups, Two of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords, they were lying, cheating, manipulation which was going on with you. They were unable to make a decision. Okay, can you see how there is an infinite symbol of here? So they were unable to make a decision in the past. Okay, maybe there were third party situation which was involved, but divine is intervening in your situation. Okay, now you will get success in moving in a forward direction. Success, recognition, victory. Emperor again. Emperor is here. You will move in a forward direction. That's the Judgment. And here I'm having Hierophant again for you. So either you will get your commitment and judgment. That's the judgment which is being made by the divine here. Okay, you will make Aquarius. Either you will get married to this person. Okay, King of Wands. Either you will marry to this person or you are already married to this person. Knight of Swords. They are rushing towards you. Okay, they're coming, Aquarius. They know that whatever situation, whatever third party situation was there, whatever lies, cheating, manipulation, whatever the thing was there, that is going to end. Okay, that is going to end and they are coming towards you. Now they know what is right for them. They are rising as an emperor. They will get success in giving you commitment, in giving you stability, in giving you all the things which they already told you maybe in the past, but they did not fulfill that thing. But now they will do that. And that's the judgment which is made by the divine. Okay, they're rushing towards you. Knight of Swords is here. Okay, this is someone who is your match. King of Wands. Here I was having Queen of Wands. So all wands and all king and queen are here in this tarot deck. That's why there are Emperor and the Empress here. That's why I got a message from your angels. Shift your perception, see the picture, see the things from a higher picture. Okay, higher perspective. See the things from a higher perspective. You need to shift your perception and trust your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, trust your intuitions. So this was your reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. This was very beautiful energy, Aquarius, and this was very beautiful reading that finally they are coming back. Okay, and they're coming back. They know that they have done you, treated you wrong. They know they're feeling very restricted. They are very sad and they know that they broke your heart. But they know they are manifesting you basically, because I'm having magicians again and again and again. So yes, they are manifesting you. They're manifesting new happy beginnings with you. They want stability. They want happily ever after life with you. So yes, they are coming. So beautiful energy, beautiful things are coming for you. Just trust your intuition. That's my advice for you, that you need to trust your intuition and see the picture from a higher perspective. So this was your reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.